Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Abhedya Cyber Solutions YouTube channel. I am Dipak Sonagara, cyber expert, your guide to a secure digital world. Here in Abhedya Cyber Solutions YouTube channel, we offer the cybersecurity education videos, awareness videos about tools, podcasts, and technology insights. Abhedya Cyber Solutions provides the services including mobile malware scanning, virus protections, anti-hacking, data security, anti-APK frauds, network audits, firewall management, phishing prevention, endpoint security, incident response, cybersecurity consulting, penetration testing, cloud security, e-trainings, e-auditings, network monitoring, digital account security, data leak preventions, VPNs, digital forensics, cybersecurity AMCs, and also we are providing encrypted live backups to secure your data from ransomware attacks. And also we are providing the cybersecurity courses and certifications for students. Subscribe now our YouTube channel to get regular updates and connect us by visiting our website abhedyacyber.in or our social media platforms abhedyacyber.solutions for expert cybersecurity support. Let's build a safer digital future together. Join our WhatsApp group for free to get updated about latest cyber crimes and stay secure, stay safe. Thank you for joining Abhedya Cyber Solutions.